Baiknya kita buat self-enrolment. Okay, so firstly kita kena masuk ke dalam kita punya platform kursus. Contoh kat sini consumer behavior. Okay, firstly kita kena pergi ke bahagian participant. Klik kat sini. And then kita boleh tengok kat sini ada seorang dia pensyarah tapi tak ada group. Sedangkan kalau ikut mod blended learning wajib untuk ada group. So platform kita boleh blended. Kalau tak dapat blended. And then apa kita kena buat is kita kena enroll pelajar dan kita kena buat group. Okay, dia ada dua cara. Satu cara adalah kita enroll sendiri pelajar kita dengan menekan button enroll user. Okay, kita boleh masukkan nama pelajar di sini. Contoh nama pelajar tu Valentini. Okay, cari nama Valentini, klik kat sini, show dia student, so kita boleh enroll. Okay, satu lagi cara adalah dengan menggunakan setting di sini. Okay, ini cara macam mana kita nak buat self-enrolment. Cara ni adalah mudah di mana automatically pelajar tu akan masuk ke dalam sistem mengikut group masing-masing. So, klik di sini. Klik menu enrollment method. Okay, lepas tu add method, klik kat sini self-enrolment. Lepas tu masukkan nama group tu, whatever, UP5A. Okay, lepas tu masukkan enrollment key apa-apa saja. Make sure tekan use group enrollment key ni. Okay, tekan yes. Lepas tu add method. And then patah balik ke participant. Pergi ke sini, tekan group. Okay, lepas tu kita tengok sini tak ada group lagi, kita akan create group. Kalau ada mengajar DUP dengan DKB, so boleh buat dua group ataupun mengajar dua section DUP A, DUP B, so kena buat dua group lah. Okay, kita pastikan masukkan group name ni jangan letak nama sebarang, kena letak nama kelas lah. Contohnya DUP 5A. Okay, lepas tu masukkan enrollment key. Yang ni kena combination of character lah. Mesti ada huruf besar, huruf kecil, simbol. Okay, contohnya kat sini saya masukkan UTM 6052_DUP5A. So saya change. Alright, so kat sini kalau kita tengok kosong, tak ada lagi sesiapa pelajar yang masuk. Apa kita kena buat? Senang saja. Kita bagi password tadi kepada pelajar. Key enrollment key ni. Ni kita bagi kepada pelajar. Lepas tu kita tengok kat sini. Tak ada group kan? Kita boleh tengok dah ada pin kat sini. Kita klik kat sini, tekan ni, DUP5A, tekan save. So, dah ada satu group untuk kelas ni. Okay, make sure student kita pun ada dalam group. Kalau tak ada, nanti platform tak blended. Okay, macam mana kita nak masukkan BLDT pula? Kita kena return to portal. Tengok je ni. Klik return to portal. Lepas tu, login macam biasa. Pergi ke sini. Cari dashboard. Okay, masuk kat sini, blended learning, upload. Okay, yang ni yang semester lepas. So, kita kena add yang semester ni. Kau masukkan politeknik, course, apa course? Yang ni saya punya tak ada course. Masukkan number group yang dicipta tadi. Then, kena masukkan file BLDT, tekan submit. BLDT kalau tak dimasukkan, platform kita tak blended. Okay, apa-apa soalan boleh tanya kepada unit e-learning kami. Boleh tanya dengan penjelaras e-learning setiap jabatan juga. Okay, thank you semua.
Hi and welcome to the video. This video is created specifically for first-time CIDOS users. CIDOS is a learning management system that will facilitate you throughout your studies here, specifically in this institution. The first part of the video will be focusing on logging in and enrollment, so let's start. This is the interface of the system. All you need to do is just click on the icon at the top right corner, just click on login, and fill in your identification card number in both of the boxes provided. This is for your username and password altogether. Just click on login. Your name should be here, and then click on online services and LMS. Your name should be visible here once again, and then click on the top right corner, click on profile, and click on edit profile. Just to have a look at a more detailed look on your information. Any misinformation should be informed to your academic advisor. Now click Site Home, just like this. This is for you to get enrolled in courses. So when you click Site Home, you should be able to look at 3 different departments. All you need to do is just choose one department that you are involved in. For example, the Commerce department. Let's say you are a student of banking and finance, so all you have to do is just click on it just like this. Just click on June 2020. You can search for a course in the box provided, or you can just simply scroll down and click on a course just like this. Most of the time, enrollment keys will be given to you for you to get enrolled in the courses. Some courses do not have any enrollment keys for you to get enrolled yourself in. So once you're done with that, just click on Enroll Me, and you are officially in the course now. You can have a look at all the details of the course, and you should have access to all of the course materials. Let's have a look at Chapter 1. As you can see, you have access to the notes as well as quizzes and assignments. You can either just view the note just like this, or download it just by clicking the download icon and just click on save, just like that. That is all for the first part of the video. It's very simple and pretty much straightforward, and we are ready to move on to the second part of the video, which is quiz and assignment. If you were to respond to a quiz, all you have to do is just look for the quiz and click on it just like this. Quiz 1. Just click on Attempt Quiz Now and click on Start Attempt. You should be able to look at the question. Here, explain 5 roles of Bank Negara Malaysia and type in your answers straight away, just like this. And once you're done with that, just click on Finish Attempt and then click on Submit All and Finish. Pretty much you're done with the quiz now, and let's have a look at an assignment. So Project 1 here is an assignment, so just click on it. So before you submit anything, make sure you download and view the instructions of the assignment first, and then you might want to complete the assignment in a different file, for example, Microsoft Word. Next, if you're done with the assignment and wish to submit, just click on Add Submission. Click on the little file icon right there and click on Choose File. Choose the file that you wish to submit. And before you upload the file, just save it, save a name for it under Save As. And here we're putting assignment project 1. And once you're done with that, just click on Upload this file just like this. And then click on Save Changes. As you can see, you have submitted the assignment successfully. It's green, it's submitted for grading. And that is pretty much it, and you're done. So if you wish to log out, just click on the top right icon and click log out. And that's it for the video, and thank you for your attention.
Market structure. So market structure is basically, it's all about the numbers and distribution size of buyers and sellers in the market for goods and services. So what is the main objective of a firm? Before you understand the main objective of a firm, you need to know what is a firm. Okay, firm is basically institution that buys or hires factors of production such as land or workers, and then they organize them to produce and sell goods and services. Therefore, what is the objective of a firm? Okay, the primary objective of firm in the industry is to minimize cost and maximize profit. Okay, so in order for you to maximize profit is by minimizing the cost, right? So the main objective of a firm is to minimize cost and maximize profit. This one you have to highlight, yeah, the maximize profit. Very popular one. Okay, next. So, as a firm, you need to sell goods and services in the market for a price. And then the price of the product, obviously, must cover the cost of production and enable the firm to earn at least a marginal profit. So, how to calculate the profit? It's very easy. To calculate the total profit, simply by minus the total cost from the total revenue. For example, our total revenue is RM 20 ringgit. Okay, and then our total cost to produce that item is RM 12 ringgit. Okay, therefore the total profit is RM 8 ringgit. Okay, so this is how you calculate the total profit. So you as a firm, you must sell the item ataupun the goods or the services at a price which will enable your firm to earn at least a marginal profit. Okay, next. So, a firm is in equilibrium when it earns maximum profit or incur minimum losses. So, a firm is said to be in an equilibrium position whenever they earn maximum profit or they incur minimum losses. So, at equilibrium, a firm has no tendency to increase or decrease output. This is because of they earn maximum profit and then they incur minimum losses. Therefore, they will not has the tendency to increase or decrease output, because equilibrium is what all firm is looking for. Okay. Okay. So, equilibrium output is the output level which give maximum profit. So, how to calculate the equilibrium? How to calculate ataupun how to find out which one is the equilibrium position? Okay. So, the first method is what we call as a total approach method. So, this method, it involves the total cost and total revenue. So, how to calculate profit and loss, total revenue minus total cost. So, the firm is said to be in an equilibrium if the differences is at its maximum. So, when you calculate the profit and loss, so whenever you calculate, when it reach the maximum differences between these two, then the one is what we call as equilibrium position. Okay, and then the second method is marginal approach. So, marginal approach, it involves marginal revenue and marginal cost. So, this one, when the marginal revenue equal to marginal cost, so this is the equilibrium position of a firm. Okay, total approach method, the maximum difference of total revenue minus total cost. Okay, for the marginal approach, when the marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. Okay, next. So, classification of markets. So, market, it basically falls into 4 categories. So, there are 4 categories. The first one is number of firms in the industry. So, whether the firm in the industry is a very large numbers of firms or a very small number of firms. And then second one is the types of product produced, what type of product that particular market is producing. And then the control over prices, for example the market shares. And then lastly, the condition of entry. Is it easy for the company to enter or to exit the market?
How to choose quiz. Choose quiz, then click Add. Fill the information about the quiz. Here, timing section is for the lecturer to state the date and time for the student to do the quiz. Review option. Please tick for the box the attempts and unclick for others box. Activity completion. Choose show activity as complete when conditions are met. Now we want to add quiz. At this section, the lecturer will add question. Here, the lecturer can choose type of questions they want to ask student. Fill the information about the quiz and questions. The lecturer can preview the question.